Good afternoon to everyone. Today we are going to know what is the intermediate second year English syllabus. Here we have contents. So like graduate first year we have 5 models here. Module 1, Model 2, Model 5, Model 3, 4. We have 5 models. Model means here part or section. We have 5 sections in this syllabus. In each model we have units again. That means every model has been divided into certain units. In first unit we have prose lesson. Prose lesson, that is Dancing in the Rain. Dancing in the Rain by the great writer Azim Premji. This is an essay from prose from first model, first unit. And second unit, poetry. In poetry we have first poem, I Celebrate Myself, written by the great poet Walt Whitman. And third unit we have short story, that is called The Boy Who Broke the Bank. It is a humorous short story by the famous Indian writer Ruskin Bond. And fourth unit belongs to grammar. In grammar we have comprehension and composition. Comprehension means the power of understanding, and also composition. In composition we have study skills. Study skills in first model, in first section, comprehension and composition has been divided into 4 sections. Section A, punctuation. Here we learn some kinds of punctuation marks like comma, full stop, semicolon, colon. And section B we have vocabulary. Vocabulary means the collection of words. Here we learn number of new words. They are also called one-word substitutes. One-word substitutes means here the many words are placed in the place of a single word. That is called vocabulary. In vocabulary we learn synonyms, antonyms, like that. In section C we have another grammar topic, understanding non-verbal data. It is also called non-verbal item. In this item we have 5 kinds of diagrams like tables, pie charts, route maps, flow charts. In every non-verbal item has 6 questions. They have only little data in that diagram, but we do the answers by reading the non-verbal data. And section D is called understanding advertisements. Understanding advertisements, it is also called, here we see number of advertisements. Advertisements are used to promote the products of the company. In the same year we see number of advertisements and we do the answers for the questions. That is called section D. So in this way, first module we have 3 units, 1, 2, 3 units, and 4 units. Totally 4 belongs to comprehension composition. We have 4 study skills here. And next we go to the second model. In second model we have that begins with unit 5, prose lesson, opportunities for youth, which is written by the great politician of India and also the great writer Jawaharlal Nehru. And 6th unit we have poetry. In this unit we have the poem The Magical Earth by the famous poet Gulzar. And 7th unit belongs to short story. Like here we see in 3rd unit. Again we have the second short story, that is called Parige, written by Vattikota Alvar Swami. It is an interesting story, a short story. And unit 8 belongs to composition only here. Here we learn letter writing. So what is called a letter writing? And every letter has how many parts? How many kinds of letters are there? Here we learn the structure of the letter and also the format of the letter. So here today only I introduced only 2 models. In the next class we are going to know the remaining 3 models.